In this video, we will see how to fix error code 353. The maximum number of sessions has been reached. Error maximum session reached on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of error code, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is right click on start button and choose task manager. And here in task manager window under process option, look for any option is still processing your Microsoft Word, Excel or any other file. Simply select it and choose end task. And thereafter in search field type Explorer or any app which having issues. Simply select it, the app having problem, and choose end task. Thereafter close the task manager window and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. Command prompt windows will now open. Here execute these three DISM tools one by one. In command prompt windows, after blinking cursor, DISM online cleanup image scan health, DISM online cleanup image check health, and DISM online cleanup image restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time in command prompt windows, and thereafter execute the command sfc/scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted or bad system files and repair them accordingly. Wait till 100% verification complete. After that, close the windows and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Open control panel in your system. In control panel item, go to programs and features. And here look for any problematic app or recently installed apps after which you have facing error. Simply select it and choose uninstall and reinstall a fresh version of that particular app and features. After that, check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, open control panel. Here choose recovery. On the next page, click on open system restore. And here restore system files and settings page will now open. Here click on next from the bottom of the page and choose a system restore point. Restore your computer to the state it was in before the selected event. Either choose automatic restore point or Windows Update. You may check against show more restore points and choose a system restore point from which your computer was in good state. Click on next, select your drive, ready to restore. Click on next and finally confirm your restore point. Click on finish and let the window complete the restoration process. After that, restart your system. Your problem should be definitely resolved.